Well, welcome everyone. It's a cold December day in the prairies. Gonna go get some oats and feed it to our feedlot calves. Nothing too fancy on this farm. I actually am pretty new to the ranch. Just moved back here a little while ago. I resigned from my government job of, it was 14 years, and I want to pursue ranching. I've got a young family, and I want my kids to grow up the way I grew up. I had a good time, some pretty good memories. We're just going to do a few chores today. We're going to tag some lambs later once we check on all the cattle. We like to pail feed all the calves, feeder calves. It makes it a lot easier when handling them, but we really don't have to handle a whole lot of animals on this farm. They're not monsters. They're medium-sized cows, mostly red, black Angus. Now we got 3 red Angus bulls, so soon to be majority red Angus. Hello everyone. Yeah, this farm needs a lot of work. We've started the work already a little bit, but it's going to take a while to get it back into working order. This is one of our younger cows we put in here. She's smaller. She's a heifer, but put her in with the calves because she's very, very quiet. She's easy to handle. So she kind of shows them the ropes. I got to actually take her out with the main herd in the next couple of days here. Hello, how is everyone today? They've just got on grain lately, so we don't want to, we're going to gradually increase the amount. This is just oats right now, just feed oats. It's nothing fancy. But down the line, they're gonna get some cob, some corn oat barley mix. And, we just recently weaned them, so don't want to put them, shock their system too much. They end up pooping it all out anyways early on. So it's mold. Tire feeders my dad had laying around the farm. So yeah, we'll probably end up doubling the grain intake of the animals in probably a couple weeks. Slowly work up, gradually work up a few more pounds every day, right? So I'll tell you what, everyone, I really don't miss my government job. Only thing I do miss is that paycheck every 2 weeks. That was kind of nice. But at least I know this is to improve the family and the farm, so it's definitely worth it. Like I said, nothing fancy. I wasn't kidding, eh? Come on! Come on! Oh yeah, here come short ears. They're learning. They're learning. Let's go. We're in our second year of bad drought here. So hay is in short demand, high demand, sorry, short supply, I should say. And so on the list of improvements, some nice feeders. Get some feeders here in the next year or so. Maybe next year. See. Big ones, a couple of really big ones. We still have another, I think there's about another 10 with the main herd that got to come out. They're a little smaller than these guys, and there's 7 heifer calves on the other side of the road that we have to bring in. So, you know, all in all, there's a few more to come in. Don't look like there's any problems here. Everyone looks quite happy and content, healthy. No runny noses, coughing. Smile. You're on camera. I should have got you to sign the disclaimer. So yeah, this barn has to come down soon. That's the next big job. Replace this pole barn. It's just been around forever. It's falling apart. There's holes in it. We need something newer. They eat some just native hay and then some nicer stuff. It has some should be some alfalfa in there. It's not too rich. We haven't gone to the really good stuff yet, but by the time these guys are ready, still on the really good hay feed, they'll be getting a substantial amount of grain every day, grain ration. So but it's still important, you know, you want a big heavy calf. You don't want skinny calves at sales time. Typically we sell them in April, roughly. This year it's gonna be a little earlier, only because of the hay shortage. So yeah, this panel was just dilapidated rails, and yeah, it was pretty bad. It's worse than it is now. So a lot of work needs to be done. We've already done a lot. This is an old fallen down area. I guess my dad or grandpa used it for something. I'm not sure what he used it for. I think it's hay storage. It's pretty high right there. Hi. Hi there. What? You want to say hello? Should I come say hello to you? Oh, hello. Hey, how are you? Hi. My wife spends a lot of time with them. I don't spend too much time with the horses. Hello. Hey, Chevy. Chevy. Dakota. Hi. Hi, Dakota. Hi. Dakota. Hi there. Hi. Hi. How are you? Hi. Hi, Chevy. Hi, Chevy. Hi. Guys. I'm gonna set up for perhaps tagging some lambs today. So they're going to be going to the auction hopefully on, what day would it be? Tuesday, for a Wednesday sale. Not going to hold on to them any longer. The price was in the gutter there. It just shot up, so hopefully I can catch it. Give these guys a few more minutes to finish cleaning up. For our heifers. I believe in pail feeding grain, because we don't have a ridiculous size herd or anything. It's very doable, so I do that. I just find it's really tames the animal down. You can keep track of their intake. So all our grain bins are pretty well full from our oats last year. So that's a good thing. Hey. Sheepdogs saved me many thousands of dollars from the coyotes, wolves, and bears, which we have in the area. I don't know, these ladies look like they've been eating a little too good lately. All the youngest cows on our farm, first years. And you still see there's 7 calves in here yet that got to be yanked out of here. So that's on the to-do list in the next few days. Hey, watch out! Oh, watch out! Watch out! Don't want to get trampled here. Hey, stop it! Hey! Oh! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out, girls! Watch out, big girls! Little guys! Watch out! Hey, watch out! Here, here! Here, guys. Here. Waters. Nice. Like I said, everything here is old and, you know, it's here when my great-great-grandpa came to Canada. He's from the Ukraine. And my grandpa farmed here with my dad and now me. So it's a journey, that's for sure. Nothing too fancy, but it works for now, right? This is a barn. I don't bed this barn. Actually, come closer to calving. I want to lock it out so I don't have any calves that freeze in there. They like to go in there and have a baby. Hi there. Oh, hello, my friends. Hi, did you have some oats? Did you have some oats? Yeah? Was it tasty? Hey. Hey. Oh, hello. Hello, sweetie. Hi, sweetie. Yeah, that's my favorite. It's my pet. I spend lots of time on foot with most of the herd. Makes it very easy to handle them calving time. They don't get too mad at me when I try tag. Hey? Probably need a bale today. Oh yeah, just about done there. Hey, already? Oh, did they ever eat? Hello. get back to the yard for a minute and see what the plan is now.